What was that, Brandon, that you said?
You're gonna talk about Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Yeah, Jean-Claude Van Damme here at Hoover Dam. On the Dam Road.
Looking for damn prostitutes.
Looking for damn prostitutes. There's a damn casino. There's a bunch of damn cars.
Here we have a damn gas station.
Yeah. Damn, gas is... that damn gas is expensive.
They have a damn helicopter.
$3.56 for some damn gas, dude. Come on.
What are those damn power lines for?
I want to see that new damn road that they're building.
Look at all the damn rocks, dude.
I know. It's damn pretty out here.
This damn road's all windy. There's a damn biker.
What the hell's that damn biker doing?
Bending over for you. Honking.
That's the damn road.